really quite early in the morning. At the moment we're walking up to Fremington, to where the old military base was. We'll then be looking at one barrack. Apparently there's one barrack left. Forever tour. Actually very cold this morning. I'll try and find the one barrack, which I actually did manage to go in. Doubt I'll be able to get in it now. It is the only thing left in the whole place from the military days. So we'll go and see if we can track it down. I expect a lot of change on this one. So I'll join you again and I'll get further up this trackway. Around about the high tide mark at the moment. Not a huge tide. It's the kind of average. You can see how big the salt marsh is here now. There's tidal water there. At the Fremington Quay now, so we are 10 minutes away. Usually is a massive sandbank out there. It's totally covered. It must be close to high tide. See, the tide is starting to fall there now. Already see lots of houses over to the right and lots of houses straight ahead, and here is some of the fencing left over from the army camp. And nobody's taken that down. A hidden bridge. Hidden bridge with the footpath over the top. This was the sports area. And let's go down this road, and I think the remaining barrack is just down here. I do remember this gate. I remember seeing that from the other side. No sign of what was here at all. That's how quickly things can change. You can see the barrack just down here on the left. There's another sign of what was here. There's 2 barracks here. And this is the one that I would have gone in. It's now used by the 1st Fremington Scouts. Yeah. That would be the barrack as well. And now we have a playground here. We need to come across. That's it. Same angle. You can see where the door and the window in the same position. And we have pretty much a huge mound of soil. That's where I'm stood here. Let's see if we can find anything else while we're here. This is dog coming. Pretty much all of it is left here.